It's fine. It's fine. Whatever. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine though. It's fine. Like I said, it doesn't matter. It's fine. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a very easy way to make a DIY desk calendar. I don't have much to say right now because I am trying a live demonstration sort of thing, so we'll see how that one goes, but you'll see me talking a lot during this video. If you like this video, please go ahead, like and subscribe for more content. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so starting off with the cardstock. I will leave all the measurements in the description box like usual. As you can see here, I already did this before, like an hour ago, and it freaking failed because the quality of the camera was terrible. So, take two time. I'm like screaming. My family's probably like, what the heck? It's okay though. So take the cardstock, we're gonna fold it in half. Try not to be salty about the camera thing. At the bottom, you're going to fold up about 1.5 inches. It does not have to be exact at all. I'm guessing. Like, I actually am just guessing. This is going to form the base part. Do the same thing on the other side. I'm just folding it over so I have some kind of reference. But do not do anything with that yet. We're just going to leave this. We're just going to throw this to the side. Just like, I would throw it. Actually, I'm not going to throw it. It's fine. So now, let me just... Clearly, I was not organized. I'm just going to explain this because I don't want to redo it again. What I did was I took this that I just said to put aside, but I was kidding, guys. Just kidding. I forgot that you have to actually trace around it with a pencil. Then within it, I made a rectangle that is 3 inches tall and 5 inches long. And I split the top into 7 for 7 days of the week, obviously, and then 5 down for the rows. What's it called? Is it rows? I don't know. Columns? No, rows. I went to first grade, guys. I really did. And then do the same thing here. Then I went to the copy machine and I copied this like 6 times. So, it's decorating time. Okay. This is bothering me. The fact that I decided to film this in June, which is the 6th month of the year, means that I'm literally wasting 6 months. I like might not even make the previous 6 months because it's really like no point. So yeah. So at the top you're gonna write the month. This is the fun part. This is the part where you get to decorate it and do it however you want to do it. I do not know how to do lettering. I know some people are so good at it. I'm just... It's okay though. It's okay. Now I'm just gonna decorate the rest of it. Boom, boom, sparkle, sparkle, splash, splash. Don't judge me, guys. I know that I'm a weird person. The camera quality of this better come out because if I have to redo this 3 times, I will just be sad. Okay, so clearly I did not spend too much time on this. Now, for this next part, I had to look up June 2020. Yes, I forgot the year. I thought it was 2019. Clearly, I am out of my mind. I had to look up a calendar of June 2020 just so I know where the 1, 2, 3, like where to put the things in the box. I can't talk today. And at the top, you also need to write Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I should be like a school teacher. No. I can't. Like, it would be fun, but, like, not really. Because, like, I don't know how to teach. Alright. So I have June. Obviously, you do July and so on. But since I am extremely lazy right now because I did the whole thing and I have to redo it, I'm just gonna do 1 month. But obviously, you have to do the other 12 months. The other 11 if you want a full calendar. So, you have to cut out the month. You want to cut within the pencil lines because you do want the piece of paper to be a little smaller than the actual thing because it just fits better that way. Now, you take your months, you take the cardstock, line it all up. I like to punch hole everything at the same time because it's just easier so you don't have to... You know what I'm saying? I don't know what I'm saying. If you know what I'm saying, it's all good. I don't know what I have to say. Wait, what? You know what? Just ignore that. Okay. So just hole punch towards the top. You want to leave a little bit of room just so it doesn't tear that quickly, but not too much room. So like a little, but like not too much. Kind of, what? Yeah. So like here-ish. Okay, got one side. Okay, it's hole punched. Ready to go. Now, we're going to make some spirally thingies with a paper clip, which I don't have. Alright, paper clips. You're also going to need a Sharpie or a thicker pencil. And then just start winding it around like this. Just wrapped it all the way around. Now this part I'm going to have to do a close-up because it is kind of confusing to explain. So match up the lines again. Take the bended spirally paperclip thing and just feed this end through. Keep pushing until it goes all the way back around on itself. And then push the end back through the hole. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do a close-up. This is too confusing. Okay, so here's the real fun part. You take the stapler, you take this thing, and you overlap the bottom parts by like a centimeter. I don't really know how much it is. Okay, try to get the other side to be the same. It's not going to be the same, but I'm going to try anyway. I was only able to make 1 month because I did everything with this one and it didn't work. The camera didn't work. It was like, nah, Caitlin, you gotta redo it. And I was like, Anyways, thank you for joining me today on this whole weird setup thing. I'm just trying out this new way of showing you how to do things. This was a lot of fun and I hope to see you next time. Bye!